What's up guys? In today's video we're going to be talking about a groundbreaking systems overhaul that's set to revolutionize the banking industry and possibly mark an end to cold hard cash as we know it. And I'm not talking about cryptocurrency. Currently in Australia, we're in this really weird place banking wise where for some bloody reason, if you wanted to transfer money from one bank to another, it's actually quicker to go to that bank's ATM, withdraw the money, then go to a 24-hour deposit ATM and then deposit into the other bank. It gets even weirder when you consider that most banks have actually waived their ATM fees, meaning that for instance, if you wanted to transfer money from an ANZ bank account to a Commonwealth bank account, you could just go to a Commonwealth bank ATM, use your ANZ card to withdraw the money, then use your Commonwealth bank card to redeposit the same money into the same ATM and have it available in your Commonwealth bank account instantly. Kind of ridiculous when you consider that the exact same transaction online would take a day or more depending on if you've transferred to that person before. But that's all set to change with the greatest thing to happen to banking since, well, basically ever, with the introduction of the cleverly named new Payments Platform in conjunction with the, I shit you not, fast settlement service, which will facilitate instant bank transfers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week using services that run on the new platform, such as Osco by BPay. Move over cryptocurrency, we're talking about real money here with unprecedented levels of compatibility with 13 major banking institutions already connected and the ability for others to connect through various different systems. The way this works and came to be is pretty simple. So basically at the very top you've got the RBA or Reserve Bank of Australia, who's the big daddy that tells all the banks what's what, who's what and when's where. Then you've got the big players, or as we call them, the big four banks. They're responsible for doing the real banking, holding people's money, lending some out to other people, moving funds around all over the shop, but still under the rules set out by the RBA. And then there's a bunch of other players in the game, but 13 of the big boys got together, staunched the RBA and said, hey, we ain't seen no change in the back end system since what, 50 years ago? And the RBA says, yeah, and what are you gonna do about it? So the banks go, we're gonna chuck a bunch of money together and develop a new payments platform with an in-between mediary to clear all money transfers the second we approve it, and we want that middle guy to be you. You bring the money and fill in the gap and we get direct access to it so our customers can have instant transfers. And the RBA goes, whoa, 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 I know that's what you want because contrary to how the beginning of this monologue may have led you to believe, I've actually been with you in this process from the beginning. I started this after being asked to by the government. I'll tell you what though, I'll settle the payments like you said and we'll call it the fast settlement service. But only on the condition that in the best interest of the consumers and fair trade, we open up direct access to the payments gateway to all 150 license holders if they're willing to go through the additional steps to attain a new license. And for the rest of the little guys out there, they can use the service through an aggregator without having to provide any capital at all, not a cent. Well, I mean, at least that's how I imagined it happened. Anyway, so PayID uses another type of unique identifier, such as your phone number or email address, and links that to your bank account. So instead of handing out your BSB and account number, you can just give someone your phone number, and then using that through PayID, they can transfer money directly to your bank account. Unfortunately though, the way that PayID is implemented will depend on your bank. So for some it may be as simple as entering the PayID you wish to transfer the money to and instantly transferring it, whereas for others you might have to select a specific payment method such as Osco and then entering the PayID and transferring. However, in both instances you get the same benefits, including a confirmation step that shows the person's name in order to make sure you don't accidentally send money to the wrong person. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I look forward to hearing about how cryptocurrency is still somehow the future in the comments down below. As always guys, if you liked the video, please do hit that like button and get subscribed, follow me on everything, links are in the description, and most importantly, have a good one.